Karen Rudetsky-Bichelle is suing quirky wine bar owner Joseph Baker for discrimination, stating that those mother had a sign on their door that said, "We reserve the right to refuse service to Karens." When asked about the sign, the defendant, Joseph Baker, owner of RuPaul Bunions, responded that Karen is nuts and that disruptive behavior was the real reason she was kicked out of the bar. Karen is suing the defendant for damages of $500,000 for emotional distress as well as legal fees. Joe is countersuing for the cost of service and legal fees, stating, "If that bitch wants to cause a problem, then she needs to pay her $200 bar tab."
Hello. We are here to see the case of Karen Rudetsky-Bichelle versus Joseph Baker.
Hi there, Your Honor. I'm just going to start here by saying what is happening today. It's completely out of line. And I cannot believe that discrimination like this is allowed to happen in our country, and it's an absolute disgrace.
Oh my God, please, Karen.
Excuse me, Karen. Kevin. Excuse me, Kevin. This is my time.
Joe.
This is my time. Judge is interrupting.
Okay. Enough from both of you.
So dramatic.
Karen,
So dramatic.
finish your story. Joseph, shh.
Thank you, Your Honor. So on November 4th, I visited RuPaul Bunions. It was my favorite bar, and I frequent it all the time because it's only a block from my house, and I can walk there. Anyway, I'm minding my home business, talking to a gentleman by the jukebox, and Kevin grabbed me by the arm and violently threw me out of the bar, and I think I still have the bruise.
You're delusional, Karen.
I think I still have the fucking bruise,
No,
Your Honor.
no, you don't. No, you don't. That is not what happened,
It's
Your
my
Honor.
turn to speak.
Also,
Kyle.
I might mention she can't even bother to learn my actual name. It's Joe. It's not Kevin. It's Joe.
All right, Karen, you need to know his name. His name is not Kevin. I don't know who Kevin is, but it's not him.
Your Honor.
Continue. I think, Joe, I think it's your turn.
Well, hold on now. I haven't even got to the part that is disgusting. When I tell you this, Your Honor, you're gonna this is disgusting. I got thrown out of his bar, and then what do I see? I see a sign that says, "We reserve the right to refuse service to Karens." That's my name, Your Honor. And I really don't appreciate a sign that discriminatory. It's outright. It should be unlawful, to be honest.
Joseph, do you have a sign that says this?
Yes, we do. But
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Did you kick her out because her name was Karen?
Absolutely not.
Yes.
That's ludicrous. It's a joke sign that we purchased weeks ago. Why she just now noticed it, who knows?
Joseph, let's hear your side. Let's hear your side of the story.
Okay, we need to take a break though because we need to fix audio apparently. We need to adjust, I guess, desktop down slightly. Or actually, I guess turn her down in Discord just a scotch. Sorry, guys. We just want to make sure this is perfect. And I am ready to dole out justice. Sorry, the judge is. The judge is ready to dole out justice.
No,
Okay.
Karen, you don't do the justice right now. It's my turn. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Karen has been a customer of ours for about a year now, Your Honor. Normally, she's cool. But that night, she just had a little too much. So we said, Karen, you need to go.
That's slander.
Karen,
That's slander.
you need to go before you need to be escorted out. Okay? And she didn't understand at first and kept screaming at me to speak to a manager. Well, I am the fucking manager, and she knows that.
Okay, and then what happened?
I'm not going to respect that you're the manager, Kevin, because honestly,
Who's Kevin?
there's got to be somebody.
Karen, I need you to calm down, okay?
I'm sorry.
We went over
I'm
this.
I'm not good.
We
with
all
names.
need you to calm down, Karen.
His name is not
The
Kevin.
world needs you to calm down.
Okay, now, Joseph. Then what happened?
Well, it took me and another employee to pull her outside. I thought we were going to have to call the cops.
And then she just left?
Yes, Your Honor, I didn't file a police report. I
Okay.
thought that she'd forget about it and it'd be water under the bridge.
You're so full of you're full of shit, Kevin.
For the last time, my name is not fucking Kevin, it's Joe.
You all obviously have some unsolved issues here.
There really isn't, Your Honor. Despite the fact that she never calls me by my correct name, even though she comes by the bar several times a month. At least that's what it seems like. That's what it feels like. I don't have any problems with her.
Yeah, well, it's my favorite bar, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you. We're proud of the service we offer. We even wrote off her $200 bar tab that night.
Please. I wasn't going to pay that bar tab anyway.
Oh, we'll see about that. Well, we wrote it off that night because I didn't want to deal with it. But fuck you, Karen. You're going to pay it now because I am suing you for it.
I'm not paying it.
Karen, let's see what you have for me this evening.
All right. Okay. So first of all, I went back the other day, and even after my outburst, okay, even after knowing that a patron of his bar, somebody that has come multiple times, was offended by his sign, I walked out the other day, and it's still there. It's still there. The sign's still there. You can see it, clear as day. We reserve the right to refuse service to Karens. It's right there on this bar.
It's a joke. It's hilarious. You know, everyone
hates maybe
Karens
it's hilarious.
nowadays.
Maybe it's hilarious to you, Joe, because you don't have a name.
I promise you,
You
it's
don't
hilarious to
have
everyone.
a name that has been put under this amount of just scrutiny. Okay?
Really?
Yes.
Joe?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
This year?
Yeah. You don't know a thing about it, Joe. Okay? I have to deal with tweets every day.
These tweets.
Oh, you have to deal with tweets.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, yeah, I do have to deal with tweets.
Oh, my God. All of our hearts at RuPaul Bunions go out to Karen having to deal with fucking tweets, while we have to deal with fucking Karen.
Well, okay. Well, here's the deal. Okay? All I want is to live my life in peace. And why can't you just
Really?
Yes.
Really? That's what you want, to live your life in peace?
Order in this court, because y'all are taking this somewhere. I have no idea where y'all driving this car, but it's not on the road. So, evidence. Is there more evidence that you need to share with me today?
Yes.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
I have the tweets,
Okay.
Your Honor. The tweets that I was talking about. Okay,
You have tweets?
This
Okay.
is all I deal with, okay? I wake up in the morning, okay? I log on to Twitter, and this is all I see, okay? All I see. And people just tag me randomly every time I post on a Twitter post now. What do? They respond, "Shut the fuck up, Karen." Everything I post, "Shut up, Karen."
See.
I'm oppressed, Your Honor.
The whole
Okay?
world's got its eyes
I'm
on you,
oppressed
Karen.
because of my name. Do you think change my name, Joe? No, I was born with it.
You
Well,
can.
technically, by law, you can. But let's stay on track here. Is there any evidence that you have that pertains, any more evidence that pertains to the incident at RuPaul Bunyan's?
I mean,
Any
no,
more
Your
evidence?
Honor, like I said, I literally was plucked up out of nowhere and pushed out of the bar. That's all I have.
So do you have any evidence today?
You betcha, Your Honor.
All right, let's see what you
please the court. The first thing I would like to enter in as evidence is Karen's bar tab from that one night. Okay.
Yeah.
So as you can see, she ran up a $200 bar tab, but that's not the most salient piece of information. I want you guys to That's not even the most salient piece of information that I want you, Your Honor, to take a look at here. She had 10 Pinot Grigios and
I happen to like
only
that
2
brand.
cheese boards, and that is not enough cheese boards to soak up all that Pinot Grigio, and that's why
they're hefty cheese boards, Your Honor, and they have bread on it.
We do have very generous portions on our cheese boards. That's right, but it's not enough to counteract 10 Pinot Grigios. Also, that come in very generous portions. We pour 4-ounce portions. The other places pour like 4-ounce portions.
He's lying, Your Honor. He's lying.
We
He's
pour
trying
5
to
to
promote
6
his restaurant.
ounces for each serving, and so. She
You're
was fucked
sick,
up.
Joe.
She was
You're
fucked
sick,
up.
Joe.
I'm
On
sick
paper,
what?
on
Am I sick?
paper,
Are you
and-
being homophobic right now?
I need the two of you guys to calm down.
I'm calm. I'm totally calm.
It's okay, Your Honor.
I'm
I
not
10
apologize.
Pinot Grigios, 2 cheese boards, I don't care how big they are, cannot outbalance 10 Pinot
Grigio. I
Grigio.
was celebrating, you know.
Well, you celebrated a little on the side of excess, Karen. A little bit on the side of excess.
And on the house, Your Honor, I might add, because she showed her ass. And we just need
Why
to get
would
rid
I
of her.
pay a bar tab? Why would I pay a bar tab for a service that I was literally plucked away from? I would have paid my bar tab.
Honey, you demolished both of those cheese boards. There wasn't a crumb left on them. Nothing.
And honestly, Joe, I think that cheese was imported.
Yes.
Make sure that you have no more evidence for me today. Do you guys have any more evidence?
I do, Your Honor. I have actual video evidence of the actual incident that is going to sink this bitch.
Oh, that needs to be sent to her then.
You know what? Fine. I'll just send that to you on my DMs here. Sending it to you. Okay, there you go, Your Honor.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm pulling the
Let's
matlock
see
maneuver.
it.
I'm pulling the matlock maneuver. I'm pulling out surprise evidence, and you're going to jail or whatever we're going for here.
Let's see.
Wine bar. Wine bar. Wine bar.
That's her.
That's not me.
Fuck
This is
you.
anyone.
Like I want to be in your wine bar. Wine bar. Fuck you and your wine bar. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
So it's
Well,
Karen
I
R on
believe
one of her
I may have
tears
seen
again.
enough.
No more.
I believe I've
no
seen.
more. Go home, Karen. You're drunk. Don't come
that
back.
does look like you.
Ever.
Fuck you. I didn't say
Excuse me, ma'am. What?
do anything.
No more.
Do you
no
dare
more.
have something to
You're
say?
kicking me
against the
out of here
judgment?
because my name is Karen. I see your sign.
Sign's a fucking joke. It's a joke.
Oh, Karen's not allowed. Is it because I'm a Karen?
Okay. All right.
This is discrimination.
Do you guys have anything that you'd like
This
to
is
say
discrimination.
before we give a ruling? You guys can make a final point if you'd like to.
If Your
Yeah,
Honor,
I
would
will.
I would just like to say that if I can't get my $200, she should go to jail. So that we never have to see her again.
Oh,
or
that's
hear her
really
stupid
nice,
voice.
Joe. That's really nice. Oh, let's just advocate sending everyone to jail, huh, Joe? Yeah, let's just send everyone to jail. That's how you want to deal with this?
Oh,
All Karens.
I'm
We
like
should
one of
send
your
all
number
Karens
one
to jail.
customers.
Send
Karen,
all
do you
Karens
have
to jail,
anything that
sir.
you would like to say?
I do, Your Honor.
As a last comment.
As a Karen. You know, and I am a part of the group, not all Karens. Because not all Karens are assholes.
Yes, all Karens. Hashtag yes, all Karens.
I want to go back to, you know, really trying to instill the sense of what do I feel in the morning when I open up Twitter and everyone hates me. I feel...
Use it as a learning experience.
Yeah, well, you know what, Joe? You know, quite frankly, your sign oppressed me. Okay, quite frankly. It's an oppressive, discriminatory sign, and it needs to go. It needs to go. That's my final statement.
Please.
That's my final statement.
Okay.
PLZ, please.
All right. Okay. After hearing both sides, I've made a decision. The court rules in favor of Joseph. Karen, you are ordered to pay your $200. You are ordered to pay your $200 bar tab. But Joseph, you do need to remove that sign from your property.
What?
You do need to remove that sign. But
It's
Karen, you need to pay him his $200, your $200 bar tab. That is it. Case is closed.
Fine.
All right, fine. Yes, I can deal with that. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that's the last case in the docket of someone is going home with some change in their pocket. Please like and subscribe, follow Nerdy Curve, as well as Goldilocks and the Bear on Twitch. We'll see you next time on Judgment Court.